Hey, it's me, Anita, coming to you with an Elizabeth Craft haul. So my friend Nalika Sims, she's been doing planners. And she's been doing them for quite some time now. I just have never gotten on the bandwagon. But I wanted to try, and then I tried. So I needed supplies to try. So I purchased the supplies. This is just what came with the jar. And these are some of the things that I've purchased. I have others coming to me. So, but I wanted to go ahead on and make this video because I'm really starting to use some of them and I need to put them up. So I want to keep them, I want to take pictures of them, and then I'd like to put them up so I can use them and not lose pieces going here and there. So this one I've already opened. Like that, for instance, is open. This one's opened. But needless to say, let me hurry up. There's a lot of them. Okay. And there's the back of it. No back. Sorry about that. I'm really having fun, so. And that's what it's about, enjoying yourself. I usually do a garden in the summer, so they had a journal for gardening, so I had to pick that up too. And they have a sidekick. So I picked up some sidekick dies too. Right. Oops. Keep them all going the same way. Okay. Trying to speed up for you guys. This one's open too. That's why I needed to make a haul. And if you guys have any ideas, I have one idea of bought me some magnets, storing them. But if you guys have ideas, I would love to hear how you guys store yours. So, thinking about putting them in one of those boxes you get from Michael's. Oh, I'm showing you the back. I'm sorry. All right, almost through. Then I purchased some paper. I have some paper coming too. What is it? 42nd Street. I think that's what it is. I ordered some paper from them too. And then I have one more thing. I have this, and I'll show you guys what I've done so far. These are just the pages that I've made so far. And like I said, I'm really having fun. All right, that's all I've done. And for those who have subscribed, thank you for subscribing. For those who are thinking about it, go ahead on and push the button. I would love to hear from you guys. And you guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.